Yes, Yebo Saubona to all soccer fans of the Premier Soccer League, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are. This is Smart Brain, and I have a good news to share with you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Mamelodi Sundowns have officially triggered the contact extension option for one of their most reliable veteran, Thapelo Morena, ensuring he remains as a Sundowns player beyond 2025. Morena, who first joined Brazilian nearly a decade ago from now defunct Free City Stars during the Piso Mosimane era, he has been a pillar for consistency for the Shwane Giant. In 2020, he signed a fresh deal with the club set to expire in June 2025, but the Sundowns, acting swiftly, have opted to keep the versatile star until at least June 2026. Known for his adaptability and leadership, Morena has been a trusted figure for every coach who has taken the helm at Sundowns, whether deployed at right back, wing back, or even further forward. He delivered time and again. While there is no official word yet on whether talks for a longer-term deal have begun, this move signals Sundowns intended to hold into their core experience. He now joins as a growing list of players whose option clauses were recently activated, including Terence Mashego, Kuliso Mudau, and Aubrey Modiba, all part of the club's strategy to maintain a stable and a competitive squad ahead of the upcoming campaign for 2025-2026 as the team gear up with different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, M1080, as well as the prestigious KF Champions League. What is your thought about this? Please write a little bit on the box section below. Goodbye.